Are you looking to boost funding for your real estate business? Immerse yourself into the informative video and pitch your ideas to stakeholders and potential investors with this impressive presentation. Download our PowerPoint pitch deck and get a step closer to secure funding for your commercial real estate project. Not only that, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. Use this PPT deck filled with infographics to deliver the global market outlook for real estate services as well as insights into the industry. Deploy this PowerPoint set to showcase your capability to solve the client's pain points. Describe how you address the problems and help them access commercial real estate more easily. Present your methodology for commercial real estate with an exit strategy. And the well-defined business model canvas with sections like partners, resources, activities, channels, revenue systems, and more. Elevate your funding pitch with our Commercial Real Estate Investor Funding Elevator Pitch Deck. Click the link below to access. Tell your audience why it is you that they need to pick and invest in by using this PPT slide. Show them how you stand apart from the competition with a vision for the next 5 years, attractive returns, and strong relationship and alignment with stakeholders. This resource is a must-have to showcase your market selection process that includes property selection factors, crime rates, tastes and preferences of local consumers and so on. And also highlight your track record of success in past projects. Immerse yourself in an interactive experience with this PPT deck, offering hands-on case study slides and a compelling final pitch tailored for investment opportunities. For more such templates, visit www.slideteam.net.